Hello everyone! Today we are making a cookies and matching number activity. We require a small bangle, a pencil and a rubber, sketch pen and few crayons. So we'll start with making the cookies using the bangles. Let me do that. So I made 4 cookies. Now we'll draw chocolates on that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1. And on this we will draw 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will color these cookies. Brown color for the chocolate and yellowish color for the cookie. My Baba is going to color it. Do it neatly, Kutush. So good. You're so nice. You like coloring? Yes? Good job.
I like painting.
You like painting? Good job. This one? Now you'll color the cookies also? Yes? Thank you. You're so good. Okay, we finished coloring the cookies. Now I'll write numbers randomly here and we have to count the chocolates and match the numbers accordingly. Let me write the numbers. I have written the numbers. Now we'll match it with a pencil.
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
Show me where is number 3.
This
This one?
Yes.
So we'll draw like this from here to here. Yes. Now you hold the pencil please. Now you count this one. How much is this?
1.
And where is 1? Can you try to draw a line please? From here to here with the pencil. From here to number 1. Oh no, you can't draw it. You have to draw here. No, please try. You can do it. Yes, you did it. Now how much is this? How many chocolates are there here?
2.
1 and 2. Where is number 2? So draw from 2. Start from 2 and bring till the chocolate. Very good. You did that. You're so good. You like this activity?
Yes.
Yes. Now once we have finished this, can you give me the rubber? We can just rub this off and redo it again. I hope you like this simple activity. Let me show you some more activities. This is a caterpillar. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers and 5 colors. And I have made these circles. And we will match it accordingly. See, this is the blue one. This is the yellow one. This is the orange one. Brown one. Green one. And then this is number 4, number 5, number 2, number 3 and number 1. And then we will put it back in the pouch. I have made a small pouch in every page to store these things. So we will put it back and like that we will play. Come on, let's put it back. Similarly, this is our shapes activity. I have put shapes over here and we will pick up the shapes from here and place it. Heart is here.
And arrange.
Yeah, you will arrange. Okay, so like that we can put. Can you show me one more? Let me just show in the video. This is rectangle. So like that we can arrange the shapes in this.
Yes.
Can you find me oval? Where will you place the oval? There, good job. So these are simple activities which you can do at home. You can just buy a normal drawing book and all you require is sketch pen and a few colored papers and you can do it yourself. And you can do a new activity every day. You can change the drawings, and draw it differently using different colors and they're going to enjoy doing it. Yes. And this is a number train, shapes train and colors train. Similarly, I have drawn different shapes and also put different numbers and I have put the colorful papers here, and you can put it and keep it on the colors and numbers accordingly. And similar is this activity where I have drawn different pots and colored it, and then I have made different flowers which I'll be putting as per the number, a red flower for this, yellow flower for this, and a purple flower for this, and so on, and number of flowers equal to the number on the pot. So for this orange pot I made 2 orange flowers, for the yellow pot I made 4 yellow flowers, and I have put everything here. So these simple activities you can try at home.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Please subscribe my channel.
Okay.